Hey guys, welcome to the first assignment. So this assignment is going to be around Hello World, so hopefully you've watched that lecture at this point. If you haven't watched it and you want to take a stab, that's fine as well, all right? But definitely watching the lecture will help you out here. So in this assignment, we have two challenges. Okay, so first of all, try printing Hello World in your own Jupyter notebook. So doing this on your own computer as opposed to just watching me do it. All right. And then the second challenge is going to be try printing your own name in this Jupyter notebook. All right. So hopefully after you've watched the lectures, these should be pretty easy for you. But if you're having trouble with it, then what I will do is I will actually walk you through how to do this as well. So pause the video now if you don't want me to give away any spoilers, right? But I will actually explain how to do this as soon as you unpause the video. Okay, so go ahead, pause, and try it out yourself. Okay, and welcome back. Hopefully you were able to pull this off and hopefully everything's working for you. But if you're having any troubles, then let's walk you through exactly how to do this, okay? So first of all, what we have to do is we have to make sure that we open up Jupyter, okay? So you have to install Anaconda, you have to open up Anaconda Navigator, and then you have to click Launch on Jupyter. And what that will do is it will open up a window that looks like this on your computer. You might have to switch folders to get into your own folder, okay? And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit New, Notebook Python 3, okay? And now open up something like this, okay? Now within this Jupyter notebook, you see here that we have a cell ready to go. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in print, open bracket, and it automatically creates a closing bracket for you as well. Open up quotes, automatically creates a closing quote for you as well. And then type in hello world and hit run. Okay? So hopefully it's pretty easy at this point. And then if we want to type in your name, you're going to go print, same sort of thing. And I'm going to type in Robert because that's my name. Okay? And we hit run. Okay? And that's it. That's everything for this assignment. Hopefully you're able to figure that out on your own and you got your first program running on your computer. So congratulations. And I will see you in the next video. This is brought to you by LumiWealth.com, where we teach you about finance, programming, and just in general how to make money. So if you'd like to get 25% off our entire website, which has a ton of courses, a ton of like cool courses that you can learn about programming and finance, then what you're going to do is you're going to use either the link in the description, or you can use our promo code, which is LUMI25. That's LUMI25, just like Luminate or like Lumi Wealth, the name of our company. When you get there, there's going to be tons of great courses that you can choose from about programming, about finance, and a lot of these courses are even free, so don't feel like you need to spend money. You have the 25% off if you need it, but feel free to get some of the free stuff as well. So check it out, LumiWealth.com. Thanks for listening.